Welcome back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create an Instagram story. Let's get started. First, create a new composition 1080 by 1920 resolution, name it main comp, 24 frames per second, duration 10 seconds, and hit OK. Now drag the image in the main comp and adjust the image. Right-click and pre-comp the layer and name it BG. Now open the BG layer and select the layer and apply the Gaussian blur, change the blurriness amount 50. Now hit P for position and drag the image outside of the comp. Go to 20 frames forward and change the position. Now create a new composition and size 1080 by 1080 pixels and name it the image. Now drag an image into the composition and adjust it according to your need. Select the rectangle tool and double-click to create the shape layer and name it mask. Change the color of the shape layer. Now go to Add, apply the round corner and increase the roundness 100. And change track matte to alpha matte. Now go to the main comp. Now drag the image comp to the timeline and scale it down. Now go to 1 second forward, hit P for the position, hold Shift press R for rotation, and apply the keyframes. Go to the beginning of the timeline and change the position and rotation value. Check the preview. Adjust the keyframes on the timeline to make animation speed better. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to ease them and make your graph like this. Check the preview. Now search for the drop shadow and change the distance. Now select the text tool right in the comp. Adjust the size and style of the text. Hit R for rotation and rotate the text a little bit. Open text, click the animate option and apply position and opacity. Change the position of the text and opacity. Now open the range selector and apply the keyframes and a few frames forward to change the value 100%. Now select the keyframes and press F9 to ease them and make your graph like this. Now open the advanced option and change the character to words. Check the preview. Adjust the keyframes of the text layer for animation speed. Now add the website address at the bottom of it. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Open the text, click on the animate button, and apply the position and opacity. Now change the position of the text. Open the range selector, apply the keyframe on the start and go to a few frames forward, change the value up to 100. Now select the keyframes and press F9 to ease them and make your graph like this. Check the preview. Apply the motion blur option. Now add some details in story. Now grab the text tool and right plus and adjust the size and boldness of the plus sign. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now hit R for rotation, hold Alt click and apply the expression time 100. Check the preview. Now hit S for scale and apply the keyframe, change the scale value 0, now go to 2 frames forward, and change the value up to 100%. Check the preview. Now select the plus sign and make it duplicate by clicking Ctrl plus D and spread in the comp. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now select all the layers, right click, and make it pre-comp. Name it plus comp and click move all attributes, hit OK. Check the preview. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel.